Hello friends, now let us see a demo 5.11. This demo program demonstrate all the points so far I have explained to you. For this purpose, the same old example biodata I have taken, just go through the code thoroughly. Simply by seeing, you may not find any intricacy. When you start writing your program, you get several doubts. That's why just to see, first to see and understand the program, nothing wrong in that. Thereafter, while typing your code, don't open the book, don't copy that. Your ambition is to become a programmer, not a typist. That's why always remember, study the code, remember it, and then type it, and without seeing the book. Now you see each line of the code. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3. 9 variables I have defined. For that 9 input statements I have written: name, gender, age, height, weight, qualification, address line 1, line 2 and line 3. Okay. And already explained to you, here we need not convert data because we are just displaying whatever data we say. It may be age, it may be gender, it may be height, it may be weight, or it may be qualification. Everything we are reading only for printing it as a string. We are not making any operation. That's why we need not convert them into original types like age, like int, height into float. Like that we need not convert for this program. Now we are writing biodata in a specific format, and whatever elements so far we learnt for using width and precision we are applying here. Just to go through everything. And here one more thing I am telling you. After typing all your program, before executing, you write the output. A simple program. Just if you focus for 2 minutes, you can write the imaginary output, what you are expecting. Then thereafter execute and compare your output, manual output, with the program output. Then if there is any deviation between that, you can understand that earliest point of time, you can understand that where you missed the concept, where you are committing a mistake. That is very, very important. Now you see, first one, name, %8 yes. What does it mean? Actually, I want to print a name within 8 spaces with the right justification. Thereafter, gender, -8 yes. Actually, for gender's sake, I am allocating 8 spaces, and gender should be printed from left justification. Thereafter, you see age, 9 spaces I am allocating, and the age should be printed with the right justification. -90, we have allocated 9 spaces for printing age, and the age should be printed with the left justification. Thereafter, height concerned 6.1 I made. So what do I mean? Whole 6 spaces are to be allocated for the sake of height, and precision I am taking only one value, 1 digit. Okay. Now the same thing, -6.1. Earlier right justification, that is converted into left justification. Thereafter qualification, that is also string, and here 7 yes, 7 spaces are to be allocated, and the qualification is printed with the right justification, and the next one minus makes it a left justification. Thereafter, you see address comes 25 yes, 25 spaces are to be allocated, and address to be printed with the right justification. Thereafter, -20 printed with the left justification. Address line 2. Address line 3 comes -18. Address 18 spaces are to be allocated, and line 3 of the address should be printed with the left justification. This is the way we prescribed width and precision, with some cases right justification, some cases left justification. Actually, here I have used a pipe symbol because on the right hand side we cannot know the where it ends. That is why as an indicator I have used the pipe symbol. By that you can understand the border of the data. Then you can easily understand whether it is a right justification or left justification, how many spaces are left and all that. By that, by performing this thing, information, all core data types is used, and you can print them within a specified width, either with a left justification or right justification. Once again I am telling you, just simply reading the program don't satisfy. Write this program. By writing this program, any intricacies are there or otherwise any points you didn't own, all that you can know on your own, and then you can once you perform that, you can proceed confidently. Thereafter, after this, we study individual data types like integer, floats and all that. Some other issues we can learn.